This is class 2 on trigonometry. The topic is bearings. In this topic, we will learn more detail about bearings. What is the bearing of the ship from the lighthouse? So this is your ship and this is lighthouse. So how to measure the bearing? You bring this compass over here and measure this angle from here, 20, 30, 40 like this, and this is showing 285. So this angle is 285. Then the summary is bearings are used as a more accurate way of measuring direction. Remember that north is 0, 0, 0 degree. We take north direction as 0, 0, 0 degree. Bearings are always written using 3 figures. So 1 degree is written as 0, 0, 1 degree. When finding the bearing of an object from a point, we must imagine we are standing at the point looking at the object. Find the bearing of the boat from the whale. From this whale, you have to find the bearing of the boat. So you imagine yourself standing over here and looking at the boat. And then bring it here. And we have to measure this angle in the clockwise direction. At this angle we are getting as 319, 320, 1 degree less than 320. I hope it is clear. Do you notice any link between the bearings? If you are going to travel back and forth between the boat and the whale, then at each end you must turn around 180 degrees. If you know the bearing of an object from a point, then the bearing of the point from the object differs by exactly 180 degrees. If this is 138 degree, then what is the bearing of the ship from this whale? It will be 318 degree. If you add 180, you will get 318. So difference is of 180 degree. Or 318 minus 138 is 180 degree. Just remember, bearing of this whale from ship is 138, but bearing of ship from this whale will be 318. This is something where students confuse most of the time, so I am just insisting you just remember this difference. A boat is lost at sea. The 2 lighthouses each have a bearing for the boat, but don't know how far it is. The bearing from lighthouse is 117 degree. 2 lighthouses each have a bearing for the boat, but don't know how far it is. The bearing from the lighthouse 1 is 117 degree. The bearing from the lighthouse 2 is 270 degree. We can find the position of the boat using these bearings. First, we need to measure the bearing from lighthouse 1. That is 117 degree. This is 117 degree and line. Then we measure the bearing from the lighthouse 2. Again we construct a line along the bearing. There is only one place the boat can be. So this is the place of the boat. The boat is found. The bearings have saved the lives of many. If we know the bearing of an object from two locations, we can use those bearings to find the position of the object. I hope this was clear. So if you know the bearing of the ship from object 1 and object 2, then you can find the location of the ship. And that is used many times when a ship is lost in the sea. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.